Keto meals and working out for over 40s. The keto diet is great to fuel cardiovascular exercise like jogging, cross-training or rowing. When doing low-intensity exercise such as walking, the fatty acids in the blood are used for energy. The keto diet is not so good when you need power, for example when weightlifting or sprinting. When you do weightlifting or exercises that need power, the muscles get damaged. It is only a small amount of damage to the muscle cells. However, due to this damage, glycogen is blocked from being able to re-enter the muscles. This is a complicated process, but it means that recovery is slower. When recovery is slower, you will feel fatigued and less likely to want to do exercise again the next day. Therefore, the best kind of exercise to burn fat when on a keto diet is steady, cardiovascular exercise. This is good news for those over 40 who may not have the fitness or energy levels of their younger counterparts. Besides boosting weight loss, exercise can help get the body into a state of ketosis. Ketosis is where the body is using ketones from fat for energy. This happens once all the glycogen has been used up. Glycogen is the body's emergency energy store in the liver and muscles. Normally, glycogen would be used up during exercise. Afterwards, it is restored from carbohydrates, ready to be used the next time. However, the body is very clever. If there is no carbohydrate to turn into glycogen, it can use protein or fat. This is called gluconeogenesis. It happens when glucose is desperately needed by the body and there is no glucose from carbs. In this case, for the recovery of the muscles. The muscles need glycogen to recover, but if they are damaged, the damage blocks the glycogen from entering the cells. This damage is caused by weightlifting or strength work. Due to the muscles sending messages, or feedback, that they need glycogen, protein and fat keeps on being broken down into glucose, but it isn't being taken into the muscles. Therefore, despite not eating any carbohydrates, the body won't be in ketosis because of all the glucose that has been made by the protein or fat. This is the reason it is not a good idea to do weightlifting or strength work when on a keto diet. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.